While we define synchronicities events as having no apparent physical cause, it then brought about the question of how these events might occur. We discussed that it is the similarity of thoughts or state of mind in which two or more observers that result in interaction and therefore causation of an event. Hence, this brings us to the question of what the source of thoughts or mental states of an observer might be that brings about this interaction. Here, we do not speak of their electrochemical nature. In the brain, which is the physical state, rather, what sparks the content in which they appear to form. We assume that while some thoughts are based on previous experiences, that is, external stimulus, there exists some degree of randomness or synchronicity, as we discussed, in how they occur. Since each observer has a state of mind and an almost continuous stream of thoughts or emotions, and due to their non physical nature, we claim their occurrence is instantaneous, we may define a certain interconnectedness that exists at the non physical level for entities that might otherwise be deemed separate. That is, we consider thoughts, emotions, and states of mind to be connected by synchronicity in separate beings. And therefore, we define an n-dimensional flow in an n-dimensional universe for some arbitrary number n that describes the guiding force of all non-physical and consequently physical entities. We take the inspiration of the concept of the flow from the philosophy of Stoics, especially Marcus Aurelius and his well renowned book The Meditations, as well as the concept of flow of nature from the principal scripture of Taoism called Tao Te Ching. That's all for now. In the next video, we will discuss the concept of awareness and the purpose of the universe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.